just want to show you guys how easy this is to fill, to reload. Just simply grab the spring, push it back, grab a little tube that's all ready to go. Just pretty much in. Done. Full mag. I got a couple ideas for fucking, what do you call it, mag loaders. I'm gonna attach something under here that connects to there possibly, and I got another idea with one of these kind of right here on the side. Where is it? Like put it here on like a hinge, and then it snaps into like just like a little loop here and grabs it, attached to here, whatever. And then when you reload, you just open it up and boom, boom, boom. But I notice here sometimes it gets stuck in there, so I don't think that's gonna be a good idea. But yeah. Anyways, man, quick reload. Just make a whole bunch of tubes, and they're basically magazines.